Hello and welcome to our cloud migration series. This is the fourth video I am doing. We will talk about the nightmare of cloud migration. I have seen multiple companies, 150 plus applications, and they have a timeline or deadline to migrate all of them or some of them, majority of them to the cloud, and then they're confused. Where is the knowledge and where is the expertise? What they will do? So let's see. Source of knowledge, that's the first thing you will encounter. Who knows AWS? So AWS obviously has professional services. They are extremely capable of assisting you. Other consulting companies are quite good. Individual consultants are good as well. A company's own employees or contractors may have such knowledge as well on their private, on their own initiative. Good understanding of the company's needs. Consultants outside the company may often lack deep knowledge. That's my experience of the company's deeper needs. They know the cloud migration path. They will provide wonderful roadmaps and all, and they will they have either themselves or inside their company they have links to generate cloud knowledge at an instant, but they will definitely lack the knowledge about your application. Without the deeper knowledge of your application, they will not be able to figure out, without your help, what your application needs on the cloud and what is the best architecture. And that is why you need to meet them in the middle. While they may have greater technical expertise, a company will do well to grow home-based resources over long term for AWS expertise or any other cloud. I would say start small, choose the application with the least customer impact and move it to the cloud. So this is how intimidating the AWS, management console looks like. There are obviously 140 plus services, and AWS keeps adding every month. You will see that if you follow AWS, there will be 2-3 new services coming up. The catalog is growing, and this is true for the other two major clouds, Azure and Google as well. So how do? You don't need to know. A lot of people think that, oh, do I need to learn everything, all these 140 plus services to migrate my applications? Absolutely not true. We already talked about how you need to focus on less than 20 core AWS services to be able to successfully migrate your application to the cloud. And those are the core AWS services I will talk about in this series to help to make sure that you feel comfortable not getting intimidated by this vast list of services. Okay. So let's see what we need. We definitely need account management. We will definitely talk about AWS IAM and AWS organization are very critical to understand thoroughly, because you will, no matter what, no matter how many applications you have, you will definitely need to manage users, accounts, and privileges. And then you need to finally pay AWS as a bill. Network security, this is a no-brainer. You still need the network security. Focus on AWS Virtual Private Cloud. You have a great network security in your on-prem data center, and you will need the same in AWS cloud or any other cloud. AWS infrastructure as service, that's the second thing you will definitely need. I can say if you're running on premise using virtual machines, you will need AWS Elastic Computing 2, which is called EC2. So lift and shift, if you need lift and shift, then these are the first three, and then you might need the database check, AWS relational database service, partner services for NoSQL, DynamoDB, etc. Deployment, not only you will move your application, you need to deploy them regularly. So that's how you need to check AWS code deploy and code pipeline for CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. Logging, you do log your messages and you process your logs, and you will definitely need those. Those are the things that is not changing even if you are going to cloud. So logging, check AWS CloudWatch at a minimum. If you want to spend a little bit money, then I believe Splunk and Elasticsearch has either you can host them on your EC2 instance, or you can buy PaaS service from these partners, and you will go from there. So as I said, if you have any questions, keep adding comments. I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. This is a long series. I will keep adding videos every week, 2-3 videos every week. And if you want to get notified whenever I add video, please subscribe. Thanks for listening, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.